What if your bicycle could become smarter, safer, faster, and way more fun to ride? From futuristic smart helmets to gadgets that can literally save your life on the road. Today, we're counting down the 10 coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories of 2026 that every cyclist will want to own. Whether you're a mountain biker, city commuter, or weekend rider, these inventions will completely change your cycling experience. Make sure to stay until the end, because the number one gadget is something straight out of the future. Let's get started. Number 10. Smart LED wheel lights. Starting our list with one of the coolest looking bicycle accessories ever made. Smart LED wheel lights transform your normal bicycle into a glowing machine at night. These lights attach directly to your wheels and create amazing colorful patterns while riding. Some advanced models can even display custom animations, text, and speed-based effects through a mobile app. But these gadgets are not just for style. They also improve visibility during nighttime riding, making cyclists much safer on busy roads. Most modern versions are waterproof, rechargeable, and lightweight, meaning they won't slow you down while riding. If you love riding at night, this accessory instantly makes your bike look futuristic. Number 9. Bicycle radar systems. Next up is a gadget that's becoming extremely popular among professional cyclists. Bicycle radar systems use smart sensors mounted behind your bike to detect vehicles approaching from the rear. The system then warns you through a small display or smartphone app. Some premium models can detect cars from over 100 meters away and even provide vibration alerts through smartwatches. This is incredibly useful for road cyclists who ride on highways or busy streets. Instead of constantly turning your head to check traffic, the radar does the work for you. Many riders say this technology dramatically improves confidence and safety while cycling. Honestly, once you try it, it becomes hard to ride without it. Number 8. Smart water bottles. Hydration is important, but smart water bottles take things to another level. These futuristic bottles track your water intake and remind you when it's time to drink. Some models even glow or send notifications to your phone if you haven't hydrated for a while. Advanced versions can monitor water temperature and keep drinks cold for hours during long rides. For professional cyclists and fitness lovers, proper hydration improves endurance and performance significantly. It may sound simple, but during long-distance cycling, riders often forget to drink enough water. This gadget solves that problem perfectly. Number 7. Portable electric air pumps. Gone are the days of carrying bulky manual pumps. Portable electric air pumps are now one of the coolest accessories for cyclists. These tiny gadgets fit inside your pocket, but can inflate bicycle tires within minutes. Most models include digital pressure displays, automatic shutoff systems, and USB charging. Some even remember your preferred tire pressure settings. This is extremely useful during emergencies or long mountain rides where flat tires can ruin the experience. Instead of struggling with a manual pump, you simply connect the device and press a button. Fast, easy, and incredibly convenient. Number 6. Smart bicycle helmets. Helmets are no longer just helmets. Modern smart bicycle helmets now come packed with advanced technology like built-in LED lights, Bluetooth speakers, microphones, crash detection systems, and turn signals. Some helmets can automatically contact emergency services if the rider crashes and becomes unresponsive. Others include voice assistance and navigation features directly inside the helmet. This means riders can listen to directions without looking at their phones. Many models also feature rear brake lights that activate automatically when slowing down. It's basically like turning your helmet into a smart safety computer. And honestly, they look incredibly futuristic too. Number 5. GPS bike computers. For serious cyclists, GPS bike computers are game changers. These compact devices mount on the handlebars and provide real-time navigation, speed tracking, ride statistics, heart rate monitoring, weather updates, and performance analysis. Some advanced versions even suggest better cycling routes based on traffic conditions. Mountain bikers especially love these gadgets because they help riders explore unknown trails safely. Instead of depending on smartphones that lose battery quickly, bike computers are built specifically for cycling adventures. They're durable, waterproof, and easy to read even under bright sunlight. For long rides, this gadget becomes your ultimate riding companion. Number 4. Anti-theft smart bike locks. Bike theft is a huge problem worldwide, but smart locks are making life harder for thieves. These advanced locks connect to your smartphone and include features like fingerprint unlocking, GPS tracking, motion alarms, and tamper detection. If someone touches your bicycle, the lock instantly sends an alert to your phone. Some models even allow keyless unlocking through Bluetooth. Others include loud built-in sirens that scare away thieves immediately. For expensive bicycles, this accessory can save you thousands of dollars. And the best part? Many smart locks now have long-lasting batteries that work for months on a single charge. Number 3. Smart cycling glasses. Imagine seeing navigation directions directly in front of your eyes while riding. That's exactly what smart cycling glasses do. These futuristic glasses use augmented reality technology to display speed, maps, notifications, and ride data without distracting the cyclist. Some models even include built-in cameras for recording rides in high definition. Professional cyclists use them for training, while casual riders love the convenience. Instead of checking phones or bike computers constantly, all important information appears right in your field of view. It feels like something from a sci-fi movie. And yes, they look incredibly cool too. Number 2. Bicycle dash cameras. Dash cameras are no longer just for cars. Modern bicycle dash cams help riders record everything happening on the road. These cameras are useful for safety, accident evidence, travel vlogging, and even capturing beautiful cycling adventures. Some high-end versions offer 4K recording, image stabilization, night vision, and automatic incident detection. If a crash happens, the footage is automatically saved. For urban cyclists, this can be extremely valuable during traffic incidents. Plus, many cyclists now create amazing YouTube content using bike-mounted cameras. So this gadget is both practical and entertaining. Number 1. Smart electric bike conversion kits. And finally, the coolest bicycle gadget of 2026. Smart electric bike conversion kits. These incredible systems can transform almost any normal bicycle into a powerful electric bike. The kits usually include a motorized wheel, battery pack, sensors, and smart controls. Some advanced versions even use AI-powered assistants that adjust motor power automatically depending on terrain and riding style. Imagine climbing steep hills effortlessly while still enjoying the feeling of cycling. Many kits can reach speeds of over 40 kilometers per hour and offer impressive battery range. And the best part? You don't need to buy a brand new e-bike. You simply upgrade your existing bicycle. This technology is becoming more affordable every year, and it's completely changing the future of cycling. No surprise this gadget takes the number 1 spot on our list. So, which bicycle gadget impressed you the most? Would you choose the futuristic smart glasses, the powerful e-bike conversion kit, or the high-tech smart helmet? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tech and cycling content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.